All right, now let me show you how to add a button to this page. So starting with our documentation, we go to Components, Buttons. Again, you can see various kind of buttons we have in Ionic. In this demo, I'm going to use a round button. So this is how we can implement a round button. We use the button element, apply the ion-button attribute. We optionally set the color to one of the predefined colors in our application. And this is similar to Bootstrap. So we have colors like primary, secondary, light, danger, and dark. And finally, again, optionally, we can apply an attribute that determines the look and feel of this button. So here, we can apply the round attribute to make our button look like this. So in item details.html, here's our list. After that, I'm going to add a button, apply ion-button, set the color to primary, and also apply the round attribute. And let's call this save. And this is what we get. But you can see this button is very close to the edge of the screen. In graphic design terms, we say this is bleeding. So I want to position this in the middle of the page. How do we do that? Back in Ionic documentation, under theming, we have a page called Utilities Attributes. So here you can see various attributes that we can apply to position elements on our page. For example, if we scroll down, we have this padding attribute that you have seen in earlier videos. So when we apply this attribute to an element, Ionic adds some CSS behind the scene. Now here we have a utility attribute called text-center. And we can use this to put the button in the center of the page. So back in our template, I'm going to add a div and apply text-center attribute here. And this is pretty much the same as writing text align center. But it's cleaner and easier to use this utility attribute in Ionic. So delete. Now I'm going to move this button inside this div. And this is the end result.